In this tutorial, we shall discuss the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. A number of factors are acting on demand. They can be classified into two broad categories: price and factors other than price. The factor price is explicit. What about factors other than price? Income, taste and preference, price of substitutes, price of complements, consumers' expectations shall be taken as examples for factors other than price. This is the basis for understanding the two concepts: change in quantity demanded and change in demand. Change in quantity demanded is caused by change in price alone. All other factors remain constant. Change in quantity demanded takes two forms. This graph will help you to understand this phenomenon. D is the demand curve. The consumer is at point A. At price P1, he demands M units. The price falls to P. He moves to point B on the same demand curve. He buys M1 units. This is known as expansion in demand. If the price increases to P1, the consumer will move up along the demand curve to point A. He buys M units. This is known as contraction in demand. Expansion and contraction in demand put together is called change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded is caused by change in price alone. It takes place along the same demand curve D. We shall pass on to the concept change in demand. Change in demand is caused by factors other than price. It is caused by factors like income, taste and preference, price of substitutes, price of complements, consumers' expectations, etc. In this case, price remains constant. It also takes two forms. We shall try to understand these two cases with the help of a graph. To begin with, the consumer is at point A on the demand curve D. He buys M units at price P. Let us assume an increase in income enables the consumer to buy more at the existing price. He will demand more. The demand curve will shift to right. The new demand curve is D1. He moves to point B. It is on the demand curve D1. He buys M1 at the existing price P. This is greater than M. This is known as increase in demand. In case of increase in demand, the consumer moves from original demand curve D to a new demand curve D1 on the right. Once again, let us assume the consumer is at point A. If there is a fall in the income of the consumer buys less at the existing price. The demand curve shifts to left. D0 is the new demand curve. The consumer moves to point C. At the existing price P, he buys M0 units. M0 is less than M. This is known as decrease in demand. In case of decrease in demand, the consumer moves from original demand curve D to a new demand curve D0 on the left. Increase in demand and decrease in demand taken together is called change in demand. We shall conclude the lesson like this. Change in quantity demanded is caused by change in price alone. Change in demand is caused by change in factors other than price. Our discussion ends here. We shall meet in the next video lesson.